G'day there, it's Glenn Smith here from Your Next Car In Officer, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a quick walk around tour of our 2012 Toyota Hilux SR5, which has just come into stock. Great value for money, very hard to find these Hilux SR5s now, so we're really lucky to have this one, and especially being black, they don't come up too often. What I'll do is I'll take you right around the exterior of the vehicle, through the tray and through the interior, to give you a really good understanding of the Utes quality and condition, but as you see, really clean condition. Our vehicle's just been detailed, so roadworthy is yet to be completed, but that will get done in due course when we get a chance to run it through the system. So really clean condition. Starting from the driver's door, it does have a weather shield fitted, but as you'll see, that paintwork is fantastic condition. Beautiful condition on that front and rear door. You'll see the reflection of the cars in the background. It does have a set of side steps and scrub rails fitted. Really good quality scrub rails and side steps. Really clean condition. And an Ironman Snorkel, Ironman Bullbar as well. So really good quality items fitted to this utility. Just a great looking utility itself. It does have the upgraded suspension as mentioned in the advert, and it does have a set of Falken all-terrain tyres on the front and rear, I believe. So you'll see plenty of tread left on those tyres, and your alloy wheels are in great condition as well. Coming to the front of the vehicle, like I said earlier, it does have the Ironman steel Bullbar Ironman Winch as well. As photoed on the website, you'll hear the ute running in the background, and a set of King's driving lights also fitted as well. So really good quality items fitted to this car. As you see, these Hiluxes with a few goodies, just phenomenal value as well. Coming to the passenger side again, your scrub rails and side steps in great condition, down to your Falken all-terrains, your alloy wheel in great condition as well. And then heading along your passenger side up to your front guard, over to your bonnet as well. Really clean condition paintwork, as you'll see. For 2012, it has been cared for really well. Coming on the passenger side, again, your weather shield, your door condition's fantastic on that front passenger door. Scrub rails again in great condition, and then coming back to your rear door again on that passenger side. Sorry about my reflection, but hello. Really clean condition of that panel area. So beautiful utility. To the tray, it does have a color-coded steel tray. You'll see your protecting head mesh board on the header board there. Your tray section, a couple of minor marks in the tray, but nothing major. Again, for this age of car, it's in really good order, to be honest. So just minor wear marks. Same with the outside of the tray, a couple of minor wear marks on the outside of the tray, but again, for a 2012 model utility, in great condition. To the back tyres, again, your Falken all-terrains, your alloy wheels in great condition. And then coming to the back end of the utility, sorry the sun glare this morning. As you see, tray condition is fantastic. I'll try and get out of that sun if I can. Tray condition is fantastic, really clean throughout. Down to your tow bar. So really clean utility. Coming around the driver's side, again that tray, a bit of minor marks on the tray there, but again it's nothing major for that age of utility. It's quite normal. I reckon they've done something, they've tied something down to that tray. So just minor wear on the outside of the tray, and then coming back to your Falken all-terrain and alloy wheel, again in great condition. Let's take you through the interior now. Alright, so I'll start from the door card on the driver's side. Again, I apologise about the sun there, it's in the wrong spot at the moment. But as you see, door card's in great condition. All your carpet flooring's in great condition. Just cloth interior in the SR5s, back in the series. You could get them with leather, I think it was an aftermarket leather, but normally, most of the time, they'll be cloth interior. But as you see, really clean condition of that interior. To your door card on the passenger side, and then running you back through the seats. Again, really clean condition of that cloth interior. Opening the driver's door, we'll start with the door card again. Just your door card, sorry the sun glare. Into your interior, it does have your iDrive throttle controller there. And then coming back to your interior, again over to your door card on that passenger side. With your seating, so there's no tears or splits in that cloth interior. And back to your driver's seat again. In really good order. To your base of seats, it's had a couple of repairs done, probably for the previous owner, but at least you know those repairs have been done. A couple there as well, so there's no actual holes, they are repairs. So they have been done, just so you know, for your reference as well. So we'll jump inside the utility. Oh, nice and high with that suspension. Our current kilometres as we speak is 291,605. So they're the current kilometres on the vehicle. Back to your steering wheel controls. You do your volume controls, your Bluetooth button to the left hand side, and over to the right on the stalker arm of your steering wheel is your cruise control as well. Beneath that is your climate control, all your 4x4 dials and automatic transmission. Just your UHF radio. And then back to automatic transmission. So really great value for money. Steel trays in great order. The Ironman side step scroll rail and Bullbar is in great order. Your Ironman Winch, your King's driving lights, beautiful colour-coded steel tray. So really good value for money, and just a great looking ute as well. So I'll jump outside ute. We'll wrap up the video. If you do have any other questions in relation to this ute or anything else we have here at Your Next Car and Officer, please don't hesitate to give us a call. But it's been a pleasure to take you through the video, and hopefully we've found the right ute for you. Have a great day.